Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Muskego, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, West Milwaukee, Big Bend, Milwaukee Holland Bridge, and Milwaukee South Shore Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double header.
Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located over southeastern Wisconsin